Alright, my battery's getting low, but as you can hear, I've got some smooth blues pulled up. I found some speakers that work and the sound is good on my HP Benched. That's the name of this computer. The motherboard's right there on the bench. And you see the DVD of Ice Age? I'm fixing to put that in so you know it is this computer that's playing that music. We'll just shut this YouTube down. Hit the button. Slide Ice Age in and see if it'll play a DVD. Now, I don't know. I've never tried to play a DVD on it, but I hear it buzzing. If it'll show up, I'll open it with VLC Media Player. Yep, there it is. Open with videos. Now, let's wait until it shows up. There it is, Ice Age. Open with other application. Select application. View all applications. I thought this thing came with VLC Media Player, but it didn't. I'll download it, but let's see if videos will play it. I'm going to have unable to play. Cancel. I'm going to have VLC installed on here anyway. Eject. Okay. Well, anyhow, I like my benched computer. Blues Lounge music. Let's put the music back on. Smooth blues to chill out on. Sure, there'll be a commercial first. Skip ad. There we go. All right. Yep. Benched, HP Benched, the computer. The computer with a motherboard attached to a bench. That's the motherboard. And then the CD-ROM, the hard drive, and it's all hooked to that screen right there. And it's online. Yeah. I got a wooden bench. Networked. What a crazy setup that is. Yeah, it reminds me of all them speakers Sean had in his room as a kid. He gathered up the speakers. He had so many speakers. He had surround sound for real, one in every corner. But yeah, I got a computer that's sitting on a bench. No tower, no laptop. Right here, push the button and the CD-ROM pops out. Yeah. Give it a bump and it goes back in. The hard drive, it just sits there. See, I can move it. It ain't tied down cuffs. I can boot without that hard drive. I I can boot on a diagnostic CD and stick your hard drive on there if you got a tower that won't boot, and probably save your data. I don't know whether I can boot your computer back up. You might have to buy another hard drive, but you never know till you check it out. But this hard drive right here, it's only half the size of the one that came out of this computer that I took all these parts out of. But it's got an operating system on it, and it's booted up. And yeah, I'll have me a handle right in the middle of that bench so I can carry it. Anyhow, I'm gonna make one later where I've got all 6 of the devices networked on one Zoom call, conference call.